Welcome back. Now, there are some considerations you'll want to make when you are using bonuses for a specific upsell. For example, if we were to go into this particular upsell and we were to look into the bonus slot, and you'll notice here that we have a buyer bonus URL. Now, for the sake of this video, what we're going to do is we're going to change this buyer bonus URL. We're now going to do is we're going to refresh the page. We're going to go back to the product area. We're going to hover over that area, and you'll notice our new URL is the actual bonus link. Now, if we go back to the offer section and we were to look at a different offer, and we go inside of this offer, and one of the things we notice is that the product that we were adding a bonus to is also in a different funnel of products. And if we were to look at that product from the affiliate perspective, and we were to go and look at the affiliate sign up page, one of the things you'll notice is that if we go to the products area, you're going to notice the other product. And even though we have not placed a bonus inside of this area, the bonus is already here. And one of the things you'll notice is that the bonus for this product is the same as the one that we placed for the previous funnel. And so one of the things you'll need to note is that the bonus follows the individual product. And so you'll need to keep that in mind if you choose to place a bonus for the upsell, specifically if that upsell is going to be used by the vendor in a second product. That means then that the customer will be getting the bonus for that product even though it was not specifically assigned to that specific offer. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.